If you wish to have a smaller clock in the home screen on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can, for example, resize the current widget that you have on the home screen. So in this case, we can press and hold our finger, drop it back into its place, and then we can grab by these circles that we have on the sides in order to resize the widget so that, for example, we can have this space empty, and of course you can add more apps over here. However, if you actually wish to have a smaller clock, then we can remove this widget. Next, we're gonna press and hold our finger on an empty space, and let's go to widgets, and then you should be able to find the clock app over here. This is the clock app made by Google, and in here we can, for example, use this digital widget. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Let's add it over here in the middle. We can also choose the clock style, so let's say I'm gonna choose transparent. And now over here, as you can see, the clock is much smaller. If you want to, you can of course expand the size a little bit. You can make it wide so that it takes the whole width in here. But also, if needed, we can make it much smaller as well. So we can, for example, have this little small clock in here. And this color is based on the system color that we have in the settings, more precisely in personalize. And then over here we have colors. So this is the way to change the color. So if I choose, for example, the other one, this darker one, well, it's actually blue. As you can see, it is changed now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.